Hi, I'm Gretchen Soares and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to be making soy candles. Okay, in this clip we're going to talk about how we heat the soy and what equipment we're going to be using. The first thing we're going to be using is a cooktop. You can use your home stove or you could use a portable cooktop as we have here. We're going to do it at medium temperature. You want it at a medium temperature, not a high temperature, because you want it to melt evenly, not to scald. And we're going to be using a double boiler. A double boiler is simply a pan that has an insert inside of it, and it boils. So your crock will be sitting on the insert, hanging in the water, not sitting directly on the heat. So we're not going to take this crock and set it directly on the heat. We would get scalded soy at the bottom and non-melted at the top. So we're going to use a double boiler so that it heats evenly and throughout the entire container.